Hey guys, it's me, the Sixth Slenderman. Hello. And today I'm doing an unboxing video. I'm just kidding, it's not that heavy. This is my recording software, my PS3. Hopefully it's what I ordered. Let's figure it out. Oh, damn camera. Okay, I'm gonna try not to move this camera. Not much. Oh, let's try. I got my knife. Moment of truth. Don't you just hate when you just buy something off the internet and it's not what you ordered? If this is the case... Damn, they really packed this in here. Okay, I'm just going to take off all the tape. Around the edge. Ow, Jesus. So how's it going? You guys... happy? See what's in here? I am. Hallelujah! So, as you guys can see, here's my recording software. Yep. I don't even know what this is. It's like a little purse. What the f? Anyways. So, okay. Random little, I don't even know, put that to the side. We've got the cables that connect to the TV and all that. See that? Pretty dope. Got your red, yellow, and blue. There's no yellow. Red, blue, green, and white. Then you got your power supply. I'm pretty stoked. And then got an HDMI cable, which I already have one, but this seems really freaking short. Anyways, HDMI cable, and that's it. I think. Oh, no. Duh. And, whoa. Yeah, here's a little recorder. It's pretty light, but it's, bubble wrap! Bubble wrap, bubble wrap. Man, look at the kit, and then open this up. And here it is. Not the biggest, it's pretty small. I like the size of it. See, you have the USB, the in and output, and a mic hole, and then the recorder button right here, and on the back, output, input, YBR, and power. It's pretty nice. Yeah, I like it a lot. I can't wait to start recording. After football tonight, I will start recording my first ever video. Unless I lie. Yeah. I'm trying to turn off the button here. This is just an overall view of what I got again. The recorder, the HDMI, the power, the input-output stuff, and the DVD, and a starting manual. So yeah, I'm pretty stoked. Can't wait to get started. Let's get started soon, I hope. I'm the Sixth Slenderman. Out.